Okay, be honest with me for a second. Have you ever wanted something, like really wanted it, and then you just didn't do it?
Oh man, don't do this to me this early.
I'm just asking.
Yeah, okay. This morning, I told myself I'd go for a run before work.
And?
I made coffee instead. And then, I made a second coffee.
See, this is the thing. This happens to everyone. Doesn't matter where you're from, what language you speak, what your life looks like. There's a part of you that wants to grow, and another part that just wants to stay on the couch.
It's kind of a quiet fight, you know? Nobody sees it.
No one claps for you when you win it either. And today, that's exactly what we're talking about. That fight. You versus you.
And I think once you understand it a little better, it gets easier to win.
And actually, Bob's got a story today that's a perfect example. It's a good one.
We're doing this already?
We're doing this already. So if you've ever felt lazy or stuck, or like you're just not doing enough, stay with us. By the end of this, I think it's going to feel a lot lighter. Okay, so let's just say it. Most of us are not lazy people. We just lose the fight sometimes.
Yeah, I do this thing where I plan my whole week on Sunday night. Big plans. Gym, reading, eating better.
And then?
And then Monday comes, and I'm like, tomorrow.
Bob?
I know. It's pretty much my whole personality some weeks.
Okay, but honestly, I do the exact same thing. I'll tell myself, I'm going to wake up early and write. And then my alarm goes off, and suddenly I have a very deep, very important conversation with myself about whether 5 more minutes will really matter.
And it's never 5 minutes.
It's never 5 minutes. And if you're listening to this thinking, wait, that's exactly how I feel? Good. That means you're paying attention. Because here's the thing. This isn't about being weak or lazy or broken. It's just human. Your brain likes comfort. It likes what's easy. So when you choose the harder thing, even something small, that's actually a kind of courage.
Yeah, I think people forget that. They think motivation is supposed to just show up, like a feeling that arrives and pushes you out the door.
And when it doesn't show up, they think something's wrong with them.
Right. But honestly, motivation is unreliable. It's kind of a flaky friend. Shows up sometimes, cancels other times, never tells you why.
That's such a good way to put it. I'm stealing that.
Go for it. It's true though.
Wait, can we go back to something? You said this went on for like 5 weeks. Same window, same coffee, same excuse.
Yeah, I guess I do say that a lot.
It just sticks with me. This went on for. Like, my cold went on for 10 days, or, that meeting yesterday went on for way too long.
That second one is definitely true sometimes.
You'll hear that one everywhere once you notice it. Something just goes on for a while.
You said stuck earlier, too. About feeling stuck.
Oh, I say that all the time. When you can't move forward, mentally, you just feel stuck. Like your feet are glued to the floor. Kind of how you were at that window, honestly.
Yeah, exactly like that.
And then, I don't know what changed. You said that about the Saturday you finally walked down.
Right. And it's funny because that's still true. I genuinely don't know what made that day different from the other 5 weeks.
That's what I love about it, though. It's honest. People say that when something feels different, and they can't really explain why.
Oh, and Talk myself out of it. That one too.
Oh, yes. Convincing yourself not to do something.
Right, like, I almost signed up for the class, but I talked myself out of it.
I do that with gym memberships every January.
Honestly, same.
So, went on for, stuck, I don't know what changed, talk myself out of it. You don't need to write any of that down. You just heard 4 people, well, 2 people, use them in a real story. That's how they actually stick. So I want you to remember something from today. You don't need motivation to show up every single time. You just need one small decision. Grab your shoes, walk down the stairs, send the message, open the app.
And if you don't do it today, that's okay too. The fight isn't over. You get to try again tomorrow. Even if tomorrow turns into a second coffee a few more times first.
Hey now.
I'm just saying. Be patient with yourself. I watched a soccer game from a window for 5 weeks. You're allowed a slow start too.
And honestly, just by listening to this whole episode in English, you already did something a lot of people are too scared to try. That counts. That really counts.
You're further along than you think you are.
So however the rest of your day goes, we're really glad you spent a little bit of it with us.
Yeah. Thanks for being here.
If you like this one, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss our next conversation. And here's a question for the comments. What's one small decision you've been putting off? Just one. Tell us, and let's hold each other a little accountable.
And hey, if you know someone who's been watching from the window about something, maybe it's time you sent this their way.
All right. Go win the fight today.
See you next time.